Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make another member an admin on WhatsApp in desktop. So get ready started. At first open your desktop. Now you can see make another member an admin on WhatsApp. Now go into the Chrome browser. Now click from Chrome browser and now open WhatsApp. Now select from WhatsApp. Now wait for loading. Now you can see then show the new interface. Now you click from Google group, WhatsApp new group. Now click from group and click from all friends in the main selection and click from community option. Now click. Now you can see and select from community owner and make member and admin. Now click from news text. Now click from make admin. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see then I show the community admin in the new member on WhatsApp. Now you can see make another member and admin on WhatsApp in desktop is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.